Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Monster Lab. Today we are going to be cover how we can create a new repository in GitHub and how we can connect that repository in our VS Code. We can directly do a commit from the VS Code and push our code from the VS Code to GitHub and we can see our commit as well. So I'm starting with creating a new repository. I can click a new here. I need to be provided a repository name. Let it be I'm giving practice code. Okay, so this repository name is available. I can provide the description also here, and there is an option called readme file. So this is kind of a documentation for this repository. If let it be I have written some code in my repository, I'm sharing to you. So in the readme file I can explain what kind of a code is written in this repository. For the details I wanted to be explained in the text format, I can add it here. So for the user who are first coming to my repository, they can see the readme file and they will able to understand guidance, which code has to be seen first, which code has to be seen later. So that kind of some instruction can be written here. So I'm using it here. Okay, then I'm creating the repository. So once the new repository has been created, you can see only readme file came. So there is nothing in this. This is only a practice code. Okay, so now let me go to back. So here if you can see here, click on the code. Here you will see like https. This link you can copy, go to your VS Code. Now in your VS Code there's two options. You can click here clone git repository, or you can click here, anything is fine. You can paste here, enter. Now you need to be provide your folder where you want it to be added. I'm giving a new folder name called practice code. I created a new folder. I'm selecting the destination of this. So once I selected this, it is asking me I should open this repository in the new window or in the existing one. I want it to be open in the same window only. So I'm clicking on this. So once I clicked on this, here there is a readme file. Now I'll create a new file. So I can directly create here. Let it be my first python file.py. So let it be I have written some code here, print hello world, and then whatever the name it is been entered. So this is some kind of a sample code I have written here. I'm saving it. I added my code here, and you can see once I did any changes, it will automatically identify my file here. I can click on plus, first commit. I written this. I clicking on commit and then clicking on sync the changes. Then it's going OK. So once I clicked on OK, it will automatically push to my repository. Once I come here, I'm just refreshing it. You can see my new file is been added here. Once I click on this, automatically you can see my code is came here. I can see the commits history as well. To go back, and then you can see like this is the commit it is came. Once I click here, you can see it was an initial commit where my repository has been created, and this is my first commit. Let it be I wanted to be do some changes in my code. Let it be instead of hello world my name is Pratik. I wanted to be do this. Okay, so once I click on this, it is showing here what is in my repository in the left side and what I'm adding it here. So you can see direct differences on the right side and what is in the existing on the repository. So I can click here, added code. So I'm just clicking on commit and sync, or I'm clicking on OK. So once it has been synced, our commit is been published to our branch. So once I refresh it, I can see here 3 commits, and then once I click on here, you can see my updated changes came on my Git. So like this we can do our commit from the VS Code to GitHub directly. This will be very useful when we wanted to be do some code backup or any kind of a work that we wanted to be commit on our GitHub, so that we can refer it anytime whenever it's wanted. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to person who are interested to know how we can commit from the VS Code to GitHub. Thank you.